Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to find the solution for the given problem. The given problem is convert the given delta into an equivalent star. Okay, so if you want to draw the star, let's try to mark the nodes. So what are the given nodes is, so this is node 1, this is node 2 and this is node 3. So star means you will be getting like this is one element and this will constitute neutral, this is another element and this is the another element. Okay, so indirectly we need to find the star for the given. So in order to make it clear, I'm drawing the elements within the delta itself. So this will act as an neutral. So I want this black color resistor. It is connected between two elements 5 as well as 10. So this value will be, so this black is connected to which two arms? 5 and 10. So that product I will write down 5 into 10 divided by sum of the three branches. So what is the sum? 5 plus 10 plus 15. Okay, so now similarly I want this branch. Okay, so how to find this branch? So here the resistor we need to find out. So this black color resistor is connected between this red color resistor and this red color resistor. Okay, you can see the connection, how it is connected. So here and here it is connected. So I'm going to get the black value as 15 into 10. So 15 into 10 divided by the sum of remaining branches, which is nothing but 10 plus 15 plus 5. Next we need to find out this resistor. Okay, so this is the resistor what we need to find out. How to find out this unknown is, this black is connected between the red value of 5 ohm as well as 15. Then I can write down the product of those two resistors which are connected, which is nothing but 5 into 15 divided by the sum of the remaining resistor, which is nothing but 5 plus 15 plus 10. So use your calculator and you are going to get the value as 1.66 ohms. This you are going to get it as some 5 ohm. This you are going to get it as 2.5 ohm. So then successfully we transform a given delta to an star network. Very simple. If you want to find this black color resistor, so this black is connected which two points? This point as well as this point. At this black, after the two red color resistor, 5 into 10 divided by 5 plus 10 plus 15. So this black color resistor is connected at these 2 points. What are the two elements connected to this black color is 15 and 10. So to this black color resistor, what are the two connected? 15 and 5. So this is how we successfully transform a given delta network into an star network. If you feel the video is useful, please give an like and share with your friends. Those are also studying the same subject. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. I can answer your doubt. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to the channel. The name KV Tulasiram. This is a free channel for the development of students as well as for the faculty. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in